Assalamualaikum, I am Christina and this is my first vlog video in my YouTube channel. Today I want to make a food review content theme Raya Dish since this is on Idul Fitri celebration season. So if you want to know what is my favorite Raya dish, stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's check it out.
Berlalulah sudah Ramadan, sebulan berpuasa, tiba Syawal kita rayakan dengan rasa gembira.
Assalamualaikum. Hari ini saya nak tunjuk cara-cara buat nasi impit dan buah kacang. Yang pertama, perlu basuh dahulu beras. Setelah dah dibersih, masukkan dalam periuk freezer cooker.
Tukar senyuman dan salam, ziarah menziarah.
Okay, Auntie, so what are the key ingredients and how were they sourced?
Suasana hari raya.
Bahan yang pertama adalah kacang tanah, ikan bilis, halia, lengkuas, 3 sekawan, bawang merah, bawang putih, halia, sedikit santan, cili kisar, asam jawa.
Allah jangan hanya di.
So, how is the dish prepared?
Panaskan minyak dan goreng kacang tanah sehingga garing. Apabila warna kacang tanah berubah keperangan, teruskan minyak dan angkat seketika. Lepas itu, kisarkan kacang tanah yang telah digoreng tadi sedikit demi sedikit hingga hancur. Tumiskan 3 sekawan iaitu buah pelaga, bunga lawang dan kulit kayu manis. Dan masukkan bahan-bahan yang telah dikisar. Kacau sebati hingga naik bau. Lepas itu masukkan cili kisar dan teruskan mengacau. Apabila bahan tumisan telah garing, masukkan kacang tanah yang dikisar tadi ke dalam tumisan dan masukkan sedikit air dan juga santan.
Berlalulah sudah Ramadan, sebulan berpuasa, tiba Syawal kita rayakan dengan rasa gembira.
Kacau sehingga sebati dan masukkan air asam jawa, garam dan juga gula.
Semuanya pulang ke desa.
Lepas ia mendidih, siap untuk dihidang.
Jangan bersyukur tak.
Okay, right now I am very excited to try this Raya dish that's special made from my auntie. So without wasting any time, let's try this dish. But before that, I want to mention that the plating of these dishes is very simple. Let's try these dishes. Wow. Great. From the taste, I can feel that the kuah kacang have a good balance of sweet, spicy and savory with a hint of sourness from asam jawa. By the way, the texture of the kuah kacang is nutty, thick and creamy. I really recommended you guys to try out these Raya dishes, which is the nasi impit and kuah kacang, based on the recipe that provided in this food review. I'm sure you will never regret. From my opinion, I think it is value for money because the dish can be sold in night market or Ramadan bazaar. From my observation, most of the common seller does not sell this kind of food, and it is also can be sold with cheap price, which is in range of 4 ringgit to 5 ringgit in plate.
This is the end of my food review content about my favorite Raya dish, which is nasi impit and kuah kacang. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.